Here we have a nice clean 2018 GMC Sierra. It's an SLT model. The SLT model is going to give you some extras such as the fog lamps, tow hooks. As you can see, there's sensors in the front bumper. That'd be for forward collision alert and pedestrian crossing. This truck also has an aftermarket hood deflector on it to keep the rock chips off of your hood. It's got brand new General Grabber AT tires. This truck's a crew cab, 4-wheel drive, 5.3 liter. It's good, you can take the whole family with you. It's in great condition, already has rain guards on it, steps. It's got, of course, GM's quarter step bumpers there, trailer hitch already installed, backup sensors in the rear bumper, camera right there. It's got a hard tri-fold tonneau cover already installed on it. That's in excellent condition. It's a back flip tonneau cover, spray and bed liner. Around to the driver's side, this truck's in excellent conditions, no dents, dings and scratches. It's not beat up. Take a look at the inside rear. Nice clean black leather. This truck has WeatherTech floor mats installed, covers all the carpets. That's a nice feature to have. Great condition on the inside, some nice wood grain trim on the door panels. You can take a look at the front. You have memory seating for 2 drivers. You have power locks, power windows and mirrors, Bose audio system, power seat for the driver and the passenger in the front. Of course, our WeatherTech floor mats. On the dashboard here we have our trailer brake gain and decrease. We have our 4-wheel drive selector, our headlamp selector. So we go over here to the steering wheel. We have heated steering wheel, forward collision detection, Bluetooth settings and menu settings for the driver's info system, GM's infotainment system, dual climate controls, heated and ventilated seats in the front. We have lots of ports, traction control. We have hill descend on this truck. There's also lane keep assist. As you can see, this truck's very clean. GM's double glove box there. It's very clean. 125,000 kilometers on this. If you're in the market for a used truck and you're looking for one with some nice options, this is definitely one to consider. It's very nice, very clean for 2018. Real nice unit. Get a hold of us, reach out to us. Steele GMC Buick.